welcome back to my channel. So this is Muskan and I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is gonna be a review video. So in this video I'm gonna review about this product right here. So this is Blue Heaven makeup remover or cleansing water, micellar cleansing water. So yes, without further ado, let's get started with this video. As usual, let's talk about its packaging first. So this is how it looks, and it does not comes with any outer cardboard packaging. So you'll be getting this bottle, and you can see here, I guess. So it says it is Blue Heaven Biphase makeup remover micellar cleansing water, and the best thing is it is paraben free, which is great. And also it has goodness of argan oil, which is extremely good for your skin, and the quantity is 125 ml, and the price is 150 rupees, which comes under affordable side. And but I bought this for 90 rupees from purple.com on sale, so which is great thing. So here also you can see the usage instructions and the ingredients list. So it has silicone in it, so it says it can remove all the impurities, and it can also use for the waterproof makeup, to remove waterproof makeup. So yes, this is how it looks, and you can see these glitter particles over here. So you can see very tiny glitter particles. I'm gonna shake it once. So this is how it looks, but I really like the shade because I love something which is a lavender color or purple color. So I really like the color. So packaging is not that great, but yeah, for the price point it's okay. So let me just open this and show you. So this is how it looks, and it is very like watery. Obviously this is a micellar water, so the consistency is it's same like a water. So it smells something like orangey or lemony. If you have used a little soap, then it smells exactly the same like a little soap. Yeah, it smells like a little soap. So it's not strong, but it's bearable. So this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna show you like how I remove my makeup by using this cleansing water. So guys, if you tend to get lot of painful acne on your face, then this is the one for you, because if you have so many cuts and marks on your face, it burns a lot, right? So you can see on the left side of my face, just below my eye, there's a cut mark on my face, or you can say a small wound. So it was burning a lot because Aram pinched me on my face, so it burns a lot. So I was just doing a small experiment. I placed some of micellar water on my wound, and I was just checking whether it irritates my skin or not. But to my surprise, you guys, it worked amazingly. I haven't felt any burning sensation or any pain, or it didn't irritated my skin. So I think this is a perfect micellar water for acne prone skin and every type, every skin type. So guys, if you are confused between the Garnier one or the Pond's and this Blue Heaven one, so I think the Garnier one is good, but I think it's not paraben free. So it's up to you. If you are, if you want to go for Garnier one, you can always go for that. But I think this also has this argan oil goodness, which is extremely great for dry skin people. So if you have dry skin and if you're on budget, then this is the one for you. So if you have an oily skin, you can go for Garnier one. So yes guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked my review. So guys, overall I really like the product because it is doing pretty good job and it is affordable. So especially for dry skin people, it's a amazing product. It will be a great micellar water, so great makeup remover. So yes, I will recommend this if you are on a budget and if you want a very good makeup remover or micellar water, then you can definitely try this out. So yes, that was my review. So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel, and please share this video with your loved ones, and please support me. Do not forget to hit that notification bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you can just go and check that out. So yes, bye, take care.